Yep, hi all. Just looking at the fuel system. So what should happen is the tank should vent from this pipe here up to this brass or this metal item here, and then with the fuel cap closed, it should then recirculate round via this sort of twisted pipe. You can get a more curved S-shaped pipe, but this is an alternative that that they sell. Basically, it's a cheaper version. So it goes round here into the rollover sort of valve, and that should then go from at the output here down the tube, which then goes down here and goes onto here. And what I was thinking is I could smell sort of fuel, so I thought I'd take it apart, as I sort of saw a few posts on the forum, and I thought I'd just blow through it. And basically I tried to blow through it with, of course, the end of the canister at the back, and I couldn't blow through it at all either way. So I thought I'd take the pipe off, have a follow it round, and I can see the end of the pipe here is actually blocked with something. Not sure that's all that going on there. So yes, that's presumably that's the issue. You know, it clearly looks like it's well blocked, because I say I can't blow through it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear that out now. If you can see that there, clear it now with a screwdriver, and hopefully I can then blow through it from the other end, and then that will cause my fumes to go from the front of the tank into the canister at the back, and then recirculate rather than presumably sort of venting out sort of elsewhere, and give me some sort of give me a small amount of fumes when the petrol's sort of sloshing around. So this is the tube here that goes down to there. And you know, when I stored the car, I thought, you know, that's just a plain sort of tube. I didn't blow through it or anything. It's just there's no valve or anything in between. So that should then go onto here where it says fuel tank. And so when the engine's started, it opens up the vacuum opens up this valve here, which then causes the fuel vapour in the canister here to be recirculated round this tube here and back into the engine, basically. So it's all reused. It's like a closed circuit or something. So that could be the issue. It's certainly is blocked by something, because I can't blow down it. Blow it down there, there's nothing at all. So yeah, I'll unblock that now. Hopefully I can then blow down this, and then that's another little job done. Excellent. Cheers. Let's just rest the engine, looking good. That's something I'll replace at some point. Same as that bottle. I know it's old and all the rest of it, but you know, it's £100 odd, so for now it can stay. There we are. It's my bleeder there. Otherwise, it's all running actually really nicely, but just get occasional sort of fuel smell. Cheers.